What if I told you that the word premium no longer has to mean expensive? For years, Apple and affordability rarely appeared in the same sentence. Apple products were admired, desired, and often out of reach. But this year, something unexpected happened. Apple introduced the $599 MacBook Neo, and instead of being just another budget experiment, it turned into one of the biggest surprises in the laptop market. Demand exploded. Stores struggled to keep it in stock, and now Apple is reportedly preparing something even bigger. When Apple launched the first MacBook Neo, many people thought it was simply a clever way to reuse old hardware. On paper, that assumption made sense. The company used A18 Pro chips that were originally designed for the iPhone 16 Pro. Some of these chips had minor graphics core defects, which meant they could not be used in flagship iPhones. Instead of discarding them, Apple gave them a second life inside a laptop. It was a bold move, and it worked. The performance shocked everyone. For just $599, users were getting a laptop that could outperform the older M1 MacBook Air in several tasks. Everyday activities felt smooth. Web browsing, video editing at basic levels, office work, and even light creative projects ran better than expected. Apple proved that smart engineering could sometimes matter more than raw power. The MacBook Neo was not just affordable. It was efficient, balanced, and surprisingly capable. But success created a new problem. Apple's chip manufacturing partner, TSMC, is now fully occupied with producing the latest 3nm and upcoming 2nm chips. These advanced production lines are focused on premium iPhones and high-end M-series processors. Continuing to produce large volumes of older A18 Pro chips for a budget laptop no longer makes strong economic sense. Apple does not like inefficiency. And that is where the story becomes even more interesting. According to recent supply chain leaks, Apple is accelerating its roadmap. The next model, expected to be called the MacBook Neo 2, may feature the newer A19 processor. And not just any version, but a refined BN variant that is already available. This upgrade alone could bring noticeable improvements in both performance and energy efficiency. The A19 is built on a more advanced process, which means better power management and stronger sustained performance. In simple terms, it should be faster while consuming less battery. For a budget laptop, that is a big deal. Most entry-level machines compromise heavily on performance. They struggle with multitasking, they slow down under pressure, but Apple seems ready to push the Neo series beyond basic expectations. And the processor is only part of the story. The real upgrade, the one that could truly change everything, is memory. One of the biggest complaints about the first MacBook Neo was its 8GB unified memory. Yes, Apple's memory management is highly optimized. Yes, macOS handles RAM better than many other systems, but modern workloads are evolving quickly, web browsers consume more memory than ever, creative tools are more demanding, and local AI features require additional resources. Even casual users started to feel the limitations when multitasking between multiple heavy apps. Now, multiple reports suggest that the MacBook Neo 2 will launch with 12GB of unified memory as standard. That is a 50% increase in base memory, and that change could completely transform the user experience. Multitasking would feel smoother, switching between apps would become faster, background processes would run without forcing slowdowns. Most importantly, Apple Intelligence features would likely perform better on device without relying too heavily on cloud processing. For an entry-level laptop, this is an aggressive move. Most competitors still offer 8GB in this price range. Some even provide slower memory configurations. If Apple truly upgrades to 12GB as standard, it could raise the baseline expectation for budget laptops everywhere. Suddenly, budget would no longer mean bare minimum. It would mean practical, future-ready performance at an accessible price. And this is exactly why the MacBook Neo 2 is becoming such an exciting topic. It is not just about a cheaper Apple laptop anymore. It is about redefining what affordable premium really means. Apple appears to be turning what started as a recycling strategy into a serious long-term product line. And if the leaks are accurate, the next version may not just meet expectations, it may completely reset them.